Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. I'm flying to Paris.
May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Great. Please place your suitcase on the scale. Perfect. Your suitcase is within the weight limit. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding begins at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you very much.
Have a great flight.
Good afternoon. How are you both doing today?
We're great, thanks.
Yeah, excited for the flight.
That's wonderful to hear. So, have you decided what you'd like for lunch today?
What are the options?
We have chicken with rice or vegetarian pasta. Both come with a side salad and dessert.
Tough choice. What do you recommend?
Personally, I love the chicken with rice. It's seasoned really well and comes with a delicious sauce. But if you're a fan of pasta, the vegetarian option is very tasty too.
I'll take the chicken with rice. Sounds delicious.
You know what? I'll go with the pasta. I'm curious to see how good it is.
Would you like anything to drink with your meals?
I'd love an apple juice, please.
And I'll have a cola, thanks.
Coming right up. Oh, and did you know we have a special dessert today? It's a chocolate mousse cake. Perfect way to end your meal.
Yummy! I can't wait.
I'm sold. This is already shaping up to be a great flight.
I'll be back with your meals shortly. Enjoy the flight, and let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you. This beach is amazing. The water is so clear.
I know, right? It's perfect for snorkeling. Have any of you tried it before?
I haven't, but I've always wanted to. Is it hard?
Not at all. Once you get the hang of breathing through the snorkel, it's a piece of cake. We should totally go together.
That sounds like so much fun. But first, who's up for a beach volleyball match?
Oh, you're on! Emma and I will take on you and Lucas. Ready to lose?
In your dreams, Max. Let's do this.
Oh, that was intense. I think we need a break. Who's up for donuts?
Welcome to Sweet Treats Donut Shop. How can I help you today?
Wow, everything looks so delicious. I don't even know where to start.
I agree. Those donuts look amazing. Do you have any recommendations?
Absolutely. Our best sellers are the classic glazed chocolate sprinkle and the new strawberry cheesecake donut.
Strawberry cheesecake donut? That sounds incredible. I'll take one of those.
Ooh, that does sound good. But I think I'll go with the chocolate sprinkle. You can never go wrong with chocolate.
I'm a sucker for anything with a bit of a twist. Do you have any unique flavors?
We sure do. How about trying our maple bacon donut? It's a sweet and savory combination that's surprisingly popular.
Maple bacon? That sounds so weird, but I'm intrigued. I'll take one.
I'm more of a classic guy. I'll have the classic glazed, please.
Great choices, everyone. Would you like anything to drink with your donuts? We have coffee, tea, and milkshakes.
No, thanks.
We will find a table until our order is ready.
Coming right up. So, are you all from around here?
No, we're actually on vacation. We've been exploring the beach and having a blast. And someone recommended we check out this donut shop. They said it's a must-visit.
That's so nice to hear. We love welcoming visitors.
These donuts are amazing. Now, I need to find a new outfit for tonight. I heard there's a great women's shop called Fashion Hub around here.
Yeah, I've heard about it too. Let's ask someone for directions.
Excuse me, we're looking for a shop called Fashion Hub. Could you tell us how to get there?
Sure. Fashion Hub is a fantastic place for shopping. It's not far from here. Just go straight down this street for about 2 blocks, then turn left at the traffic lights. You'll see it on your right side after a few more steps.
So, 2 blocks straight and then a left at the traffic lights?
That's right. You can't miss it. It's right next to a big bookstore called Pages & Company.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to check it out. This is going to be so much fun. I hope they have some nice dresses.
I'm sure they will. I'm looking for a cute top to go with my new jeans.
Hello. Welcome to Fashion Hub. How can I help you today?
We're looking for some new outfits. I'm hoping to find a nice dress.
And I'm looking for a cute top to go with my new jeans.
You've come to the right place. We just got a new collection of dresses and tops in. Let me show you around.
It looks amazing on you, Sophie. Definitely a keeper.
Yeah, you look fantastic. This dress suits you perfectly.
Thanks for your help. I'll take it.
My pleasure. I'll get this ready for you to pay. If you need anything else, just let me know.